Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So for those of you who are new, my name is Christiane, otherwise known here as IHeartAirbrush, and today we are diving into another monochromatic look using reds. Yes, reds, not something that I use too often outside of Valentine's Day. I have done red looks in the past, full, blown red looks on my channel here, but not any that are like this punchy. I actually really am loving how this look came out, and I hope you love it enough too to watch how I did it. So if you are interested in learning how to achieve this look, full airbrush makeup of course, then please keep on watching. So as you can see, I have a base done because I did do my Skin But Better routine earlier. My lipstick is worn off, so I will be replacing that one by the end of this look. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to play with makeup, and I wanted to go ahead and dive into a monochromatic red look. So that's what we're going to do today. I am going to be using the Dinair JX2 Airbrush. I did talk about this in my JX2 Airbrush info and review video. So, you're going to see this quite a bit in the coming up tutorials. This is what's going to happen. So let's go ahead and get into this monochromatic reds look, and hopefully it turns out okay. We'll see, because I'm not perfect. So we'll see. All right, so to start this look off, we want to apply Cinnabar to the transition crease area like so. Just using a light hand and keeping my distance so that I can get it nice blown out and diffused. Next, I'm going to go in with Sangria, and I'm going to take that to the crease area like so, just blending it in to the natural fold of my lid, all the way through toward the inner corner of the eyelid. And then just feathering and tapering it out toward the end, so that way I can get a nice diffuse effect. Now I'm going to go in taking Marsala, and I'm just going to deepen the outer corner outer V. So first I'm going to lay down that edge, make sure I have the shape I want, and then I'm going to go in with the blend and blend it toward the natural fold of my lid, so in that crease area like so, and then along the outer portion of the lash line. I'm not going to cover up the Sangria all the way, but I am going to go ahead and add that depth to where my lid folds, just to add that dimension. Then I'm going to also apply some to the lower lash line like so. Alright, next I'm going to start fresh with Sangria, and I'm going to use the curve of the shadow shield to create that cut edge. So I'm just applying Sangria along the cut edge to outline that defined line. And then I'm going to go ahead and start filling down the lid toward the lash line. Any movement like that, it's just me drying the makeup as I spray. Okay, and then I'm just going to go ahead and touch up the edges, kind of make sure things are all filled in nice and whatnot. I know it looks a little crazy right now, but I promise you by the end of this, everything will come together. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue to fill in the sparse areas like so, just so I can get the shade laid down. So I'm just taking Date Night now and applying it to the mid lid like so, dragging it up from the base of the lash line to the transition crease area. Just in the center, because I want to have that nice glow, almost like a wet look, when the light hits my eyes from different angles. Okay, then I'm going to go ahead and dust some on the middle of the lower lash line like so, just for that pop of color, pop of shimmer, and a little bit of cohesion. So now it's time for the foundation. So here I'm taking Dinair's Colair Radiance line and just applying my foundation like so. Okay, once foundation is done, I'm going to go in with blush. So I'm taking Desert Rose and just applying my blush in the wave form. So over the cheekbones, over the bridge of the nose, and such. I blend a little bit up to the temples as well, just for cohesion, so everything looks seamless. Now to contour and bronze. Here I'm taking dark almond and just applying it to the areas where I like to bronze and contour. Carving out the nose a little bit, and then of course the jawline and chin, and then I do a little bit on my neck as well. Alright, and now it's time to highlight, so I'm taking That's Just Peachy and applying it to the cheekbones, down the bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow. I'm going to apply some to the tear duct as well for that pop of shimmer, and then to the brow bone. And then I like to always finish off my highlighter on my neck as well. Alright, so now that highlighting's done, I'm going to go in with my eyeliner. So we're up close and personal now. And here I'm just taking jet black and the cat eye and stencil, and I'm just applying my liner like so. I have a bunch of how-to videos that'll be in the description box below if you want to check those out if you're interested in a more in-depth way of doing any of the steps that you saw in this video. But I'm just adding a wing on like so, and then I'm going to go ahead and deepen the outer corner of the lower lash line just by applying a little there as well. Now that the liner is complete, I'm going to go ahead and coat my lashes with mascara. No lash glue or falsies here, I'm kind of avoiding it, so just mascara. And to finish off the look, I'm going to be taking Dinair's liquid lipstick in the shade Sunset and just apply that to the lips like so. Alright, and this is the finished look. I absolutely love how it turned out. It is so vibrant, so punchy. I am loving these red tones. I don't think I've ever actually like dove in and did like a bright red tone look before. Like I'm very surprised on how much it's bringing out the green in my eyes. I'm absolutely loving it right now, and I can't stop looking at it because it's so like, it's so punchy. Oh my gosh. Okay. I love red tones. It's going to be my new thing now. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it inspired you. I hope you learned a little from it, and I hope you found it entertaining. If you did, of course, remember to give this video a big thumbs up. It helps me out a ton. And as always, remember to subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And if you are subscribed, or if you choose to subscribe today, don't forget to hit that little bell icon right next to the subscribe button and turn on your notifications. That way you get the quickest updates anytime I upload a video. Alright loves, this about wraps it out. I hope you guys are staying safe, healthy, and sane during this time. Remember, you can always reach out to me if you need somebody to talk to. You are not alone. So thank you so much again for watching, and I hope to see you all in my next one. Bye!